Have you ever felt like a fraud, even when you're successful? That nagging feeling that you're not good enough, despite all the evidence to the contrary? You're not alone. According to research, around 70 to 80% of people experience imposter syndrome at some point in their lives. This is called fear of inadequacy or imposter syndrome. Fear of inadequacy can manifest as anxiety, perfectionism, procrastination, and a paralyzing fear of failure. It affects your mental health, leading to increased stress, depression, and low self-esteem. It can strain your relationships, making you seek constant validation and creating insecurity. And in your career, it can hold you back from taking risks, applying for new roles, or speaking up. But here's the good news: you can overcome it. Let me share some expert tips to help you conquer this fear. First, challenge those negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking you're not good enough, question it. Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations and realistic self-assessments. Next, acknowledge your accomplishments. Keep a record of your successes to remind yourself of what you're capable of. Focus on your strengths, identify your talents, and work on developing them further. Seek support. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, therapist, or counselor. And remember, Amelia, a certified hypnotherapist, offers free advice to help you on your journey. Set realistic expectations. Avoid perfectionism and set achievable goals. And finally, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Did you know that nearly 70 to 80% of people experience imposter syndrome at some point in their lives? It's more common than you think, but with these strategies, you can start to overcome it. So what steps can you take today to overcome your fear of inadequacy? Start small, but start now. Share this video with others who might benefit. Every thumbs up helps this channel. Remember, you are enough. Thanks for watching and take care.